We did a couple of smaller back tests on shorter time windows and got some pretty damn good results. So we decided to run this thing. That's why we're running this bot. And so far, off to a bit of a bumpy start. We're down 13%. But then again, the market was pretty volatile over the past week. So that kind of does make sense that this actually had a loss. This is, again, a strategy that makes money. It doesn't matter if the market's going up or down, as long as it's calm, which over the past week, it really has not been very calm. We've had some pretty big moves up and down. So that would explain what's going on there. But we could leave this thing running. We'll see how this thing continues on by itself. Right. In the meantime, while I go through this, let me answer some of your questions here. So Kenneth says, do you work with NinjaTrader 8 and TradingView? We can connect to TradingView. It depends on what you mean by that. So TradingView, you could send signals to our bots and actually use that to trade. NinjaTrader 8, I don't know why you mentioned a specific version of NinjaTrader, but we work with Trade of 8, which has now been acquired by NinjaTrader, so they actually kind of work together. We have some clients that use Trade of 8 to trade futures, and now because they're part of NinjaTrader, you can actually link your accounts together. So yes, you can use NinjaTrader to trade with what we're doing here. That is a yes. You can use NinjaTrader. And then we have another one here. It said, yes, we had big gains. What do you mean by it had big gains? Do you mean the SPY had big gains?